preparing for such dangerous acts as this. You should never try it on your own. Only confessionals.
Please bring the weights to me now. One weight at a time. Okay? This is a 45-pound weight. Whoa, and another 45-pound weight. Ugh. These are really heavy. It's a lot of mass. Mass on my chest. In fact, you can kind of see or hear how it's taking my breath away. All this mass. We're going to use this board because we don't want to break Coach Hudson's weights. All right, I'm ready, Mr. Llewellyn. Hit it as hard as you can.
1, 2.
Wait. Now, if this goes wrong, please do page 46, 1 through 5 in complete sentences. Okay, now I'm ready.
Did anyone get faint at heart too easy with blood or anything like that? That's not hard. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. Ah!
I'm okay.
I'll be available in room 131 after school for autographs.